our neckline. So nanti kita akan jahit dekat tepi ni. Jahit tepi ni dan tepi ni. Tu je, senang je. And then hem this. Okay guys, for this baju, eloklah sikit. Aduh. For this one, it's actually apa? An old baju kurung, which is like it's already ripped like around the neckline. So what I did was actually I did this one first, but I forgot, or I wasn't like in the mood to film it, but I want to do it right away. So what I did was I go and take a sample. Oops. Okay, for example, the part yang ada koyak-koyak tu was this area tau. It's like the neckline, and it's not just ribbed, it's like how you call it, it's reput, something like that. So what I did was I cut this whole thing, like this part, I flip it horizontally like this, and then what I did, I cut, it's just like the other one, so I cut the neckline here. So this is actually a baju kurung, if you turn it around. So it's like this. So I cut the neckline, and then I sewed this part and this part for the sleeves. So that's it, and it's very easy. It's just, so I just want to ask you guys whether these outfits are worth it to make. Whether I made an accomplishment to make my own baju raya, or it's just a waste. It doesn't even look good, but well, I think it looks good. So I don't only like to paint and draw and stuff, I like to make stuff, especially when I don't have money. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. So hot, man. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see more videos. Oh, by the way, I am very thankful for you guys, for my new subscribers, and my friends has been sharing my post and retweeting my post, and yeah, it helped me a lot in, you know, for exposure and stuff. So I am very thankful for everyone who has been very supportive with my YouTube channel and my artsy stuff, and that's all. So don't forget to like, subscribe if you like this video, and comment down below which outfit that you like the most, or the worst outfit. It's not perfect, but I think it's worth it, because you know, I don't even have a sewing machine. Yeah, thank you, bye.